What's up, guys? Back at it again. This time we are messing with that's right, the Fiesta. We're messing with the Fiesta today, Fiesta ST. So I got a downpipe. My boy Zaki, appreciate you for that, little Zaki. And so he's an expert messing with all these type of cars. He had one and he's messing with one now. Huh? Then I got my camera girl right now. Ahí está, para que me veas. All right, so we did the install already. Just finished it up. Look at all the mess I have. All right, so this is what I took out right here. This came out, the catalytic converter, and installed the downpipe. Has a full exhaust, has intake, short shifter. What else? And a piggyback tune. So we're about to start it up right now with the downpipe. Now it's on stage 3 on the settings. So let's see what it sounds like with without that big old thing right there. All right. That sounds loud. That sounds way louder. Alright, and also along with that, I got the E30 tune, which I'm about to upload right now onto the Cobb piggyback tuner. So I'm about to load it up and go fill up on, it's on empty. So I'm about to fill up on some E30 and well, E85 and regular fuel, mix it up, get your E30. So I'm about to mix it up right now and we'll run it for like 100 miles, kind of settle it in. We'll do a full data log and I'll send it in, make sure everything's good. I went through a Dizzy tuning, I believe it is. So I think it's Jason, his name. So we'll see how it works out, how it plays out and everything. But that sounds good. I like it. Man, I am so excited with this tune, man. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Look, yeah, listen. That's what it sounds like on the inside. That sounds so good. That's my regular stage 3 tune that's on that is on right now. We're on our way to put E30 in here, and then I'll put I got a surprise for y'all. I got the E30 tune with a little sauce. So I just got that on, and we'll try it out, see what it sounds like and everything. Here goes again. Man, I have too much fun with these cars, seriously. That's what it sounds like from the inside, from the driver's seat. All right, so we just filled up on E. All right, we did 3 gallons of oh shoot. Anyways, we did 3 gallons of E85 and topped it off with 93 after that. And so that's done, ready to go. And make sure whenever you use this technique, it's under a quarter of a tank. All right, so for it to work. If not, you're gonna have to do all the math and all that boo-boo. Anyways, I'm loading up the map now. This is the E30 map, so that's what I'm doing right now. It's uploading. See how long it takes. All right, so there it goes. It says to turn off ignition for 15 seconds. It's been over 30 seconds. Okay, continue. Go back. I usually keep it on my gauges. Go ahead and start it.
there it goes. It started. Okay. Nothing seems out of the ordinary. They are a bit weird. Guess I'll kind of drive it a little bit and see what it does. So see if it acts funny or anything like that. All right, so my girl's driving the OST now. That thing sounds so good. It has we already actually drove it quite a bit. Put a couple of miles in there, and man, it sounds so good. So good. It's like nothing's restricting it now. So I can't even catch up to it. But yeah, you can actually hear the turbo spooling up now through the exhaust on the outlet. And man, it pops and everything. I love how that little thing sounds. It sounds so good. So there it is right there. Let's see if I can get some sounds off of it. ¿Cómo se siente? I guess she likes it. Alright, so we've been running the E30 tune for a full tank already. So I've been really testing it, I've been really getting on it, and my check engine light came on for the O2 sensors. So I fixed that, used the defouler. I'll post it on link below. And now, it pulls hard. It pulls hard. Here, I'm gonna do a quick 40 row. I'm at like 25 pounds of boost, a little bit over. Yeah, so it pulls real nice. It made a big difference with the downpipe and the E30 tune, so fix all the little hiccups here and there. My exhaust came off at the downpipe, but I fixed that. I also ordered the neck because I'll show y'all before I post the video. It goes from the downpipe 3-inch, and then it goes to the little adapter 2.5-inch, and then it goes back up to 3-inch. So I ordered the adapter 3-inch all the way. So I'm not sure if it's gonna make a difference. Just looks better aesthetically. Anyways, once it gets in, I ordered it from Swoosh. That's where I got my intercooler from. And that little car, it runs good. I'm so curious to see how much it makes to the wheels. It's got to be 200 plus, easy. But all the little upgrades made a difference, and I enjoy this little car. Man, so now the car makes all kind of noises, funny noises. Sounds good, I like it. But here's a little pull from first. Hold on, they didn't make the noise. Here, let me do a quick pull again. I'm gonna eat up on my hope you guys enjoy. Catch you on the next one.